Okay, so let me explain some of the things that many ignorant people will tell you. They will say, well, pay the amount they borrow you and move on with your life. See, that one, don't just listen to them. Now let me explain to you. When you pay any bank or microfinance bank or any one of them, I'm even referring to legit company now. This is how they calculate it. I mean to software and financial stuff. Many of them, look at this now. This is fair money. Be like say they don't dey get sense small small. So interest rate before it was around 19, 20, 25. Okay, they are trying to reduce it gradually. Now, this is where the problem lies. If you think many people believe that the moment they pay maybe the 400,000 naira they gave to you, the moment you pay the 400,000 naira, you assume that you have paid. Okay, so in total, they borrowed this person 1 million naira to pay back 3.4 million naira in I think in 24 months. That's 2 years. So you are paying 3.4 million naira on 1 million naira. So practically you are just working for these people. But Nigerians, any loan apps or any microfinance bank offering you more than 5% on a loan, they are extorting you. You can never prosper borrowing from that kind of microfinance. You can never prosper. You are just working for them. It takes time to build business. So stop wasting your time thinking that you have access to money. Now let me explain this thing now. If you assume that by the time you pay maybe 1 million, you've paid back their capital. That one now for your pocket today, you have not paid anything. Because by nature, the way they operate is that any money you pay, your first year, the accumulation of your first year installmental amount, this is the amount you pay on installments now. 138. By the time if you have paid up to like 10 times, if you have paid these people 10 times, you have only paid them the interest. Because by default, this is how they calculate it. 70% goes to interest. Most of the time, most banks, that's how they calculate it. 70% goes to interest, 30% goes to the principal. There's in the principal amount. That's how they calculate it. Look at it now. Let me explain so that you get it better. Look at it now. The principal here, when you pay principal, when you pay 138,000, look at it. Just take a look at this now. When you pay 138,000, 7,000 goes to the principal. Interest 130,624 goes to interest. This is standard practice. 7,000 go to interest. Look at this. 9,000, 11,000 go to interest. It is called reducing balance. That 12,000 go to interest. So as far as they are concerned, you are owing them. Because too many Nigerians are ignorant of all these things. This is a standard practice all over the world. That is why anybody that is giving you 9%, 10%, 20% on loan, 19% on loan, they are extorting you. They are colonial masters. Part 2, modern day robbery. Look at this one now. 18,000, 120,000 go. So by the time, look, just take a look at it now. Before you can even pay these people, before you can pay them the initial capital, as far as they are concerned, before you can pay them the initial principal, you will have paid more than 15 times. More than 15 times. That is when they assume that, or even when, just do the math. Add all these things together. All these things. Don't go to your fair money or any of this lending, all this CBN license. See, by the time you by the time you add all of this together, you will realize that you have not even paid their capital, their principal, as far as they are concerned. That's why we are telling you, stop paying all these mad people. If you must pay them, negotiate and pay off once. Because if you default on this loan now, there will be another outstanding principal. There will be another what do we call it now? There will be another column for overdue. So you'll be servicing overdue, you'll be servicing interest, and you will not touch even the principal at all. Nigerians, wake up. So if you think these guys are helping you, oh boy, you are just deceiving yourself. Any loan that will give you loan above 5% per month, they are extorting you. That one will not be loan. That one now, colonial You are just working for them. So stop patronizing all these loan app people. Stop patronizing them. Thank you.